In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access lock screen. Then click on screen lock type and tap on the best one for you: PIN, password or pattern. Then create it. Select continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. When you finished, hit confirm. Now you can manage lock screen notifications by clicking on this switcher at the top and managing all of those options. When you're ready, hit done. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!